Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I am going to show you how to create these freshwater pearl, mother of pearl, celestial earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, wire cutters. The brand of these pliers are Lindstrom. Our beads today include a mother of pearl moon and freshwater pearls. These are approximately, you can use 8 to 10 millimeter pearls. Both of these beads can be found on halcraftcollection.com. Some type of little charm for the bottom. This is a little crescent moon. I got this off of Etsy, an ear wire, and 22 gauge wire. This wire is craft wire. We are going to start off by cutting a 7-inch length of 22 gauge wire. This is just craft wire. If you were using sterling silver or gold-filled wire, I would recommend using half hard. We're going to move down right about there. And we're going to bend that wire. And we're going to go up around the bead, coming down. We're going to go on the back side. We're just moving that wire around, coming around, right until we get to the bottom where the hole is. And we're going to come back in and we're going to make a slight bend. Now we're going to grab our second freshwater pearl and we are going to string that pearl down. And we're grabbing it. We're coming up. And we are wrapping the wire around the pearl one, going along the back side of the wire. Till we get to that little end hole. Now we're going to come over. We're going to trim off that little end. And we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. Coming up to the top wire, we're going to bend that wire down. We're going to trim it. And we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. I just cut about a 2.5 inch length of wire. And we are going to form a partial wrapped loop. We're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back. We're just going to open that, come over, grab our little crescent, and we're going to attach it. And we're squishing that loop back together, switching hands. We are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to remove it. Trim that little end. We're gently going to tap this little wire down so there are no sharp edges. And I'm flattening out my loop. Now we're going to grab our little mother of pearl, crescent moon, and we're going to string that moon down. We are going to form a partial wrapped loop. So we're placing our round nose pliers there. We're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards us, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and we're going to remove it, open it a little bit, and we are going to attach our little dangle connector. We're going to come back in, place our round nose pliers right there, switch hands, and we are going to wrap 1, whoops, 2, 3. And we're going to remove it, trim off that little end. We are going to tap this wire down so there are no sharp edges, and straighten out our loop. Lastly, we need to connect our ear wire. This is how you open and close an ear wire. So we're just going to open that ear wire, attach, and close the ear wire. And there you have it, how to create these fun wire wrapped earrings. Be sure to check out my other DIY videos for more tips and tricks. Follow me on Instagram at Denise Yezbak Moore. I love to hear comments and feedback, so leave a comment. I will always answer back. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.